Okay. Mommy is not well, so I'm taking her to her grandmother. She didn't go to school today. What's her name? Watching. My mother will be coming today. I made a vlog with her, but unfortunately I lost that video. You know what? I wasn't. I lost that video. So if again she's comfortable, yeah, I know she'll be comfortable because this weekend is gonna be a busy weekend. We are going to be cooking here and there for a friend's mother's funeral. Yeah, we'll be doing everything home. That's a no going, a no cat walking. No. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see. Where is mommy? Peekaboo. 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 This is my mother. She passed by. Say over. Okay. So I came, like I told you earlier on, my mom is back. So I came to visit her. Maka, hi. Hi. Say hi. Okay. You, hi. Hi. So that's Officer Fu over there. Officer Fu, say hello. Me no call YouTube. Say Obi Afra Officer Fu in America. He's my cousin. He's my cousin. Oh yeah, Bekwai for no, so be aware. Mommy uncle. Hello, welcome back to a new vlog. Please, this vlog is going to be woto from all angles. My mother is here, and as for my mother there, if you know her, you know what I am. If you know her, you know what I am saying. At the moment, I am wearing her skinny. I'll talk to you later. Someone who I shall say. So there's a funeral that we are cooking for. So today is Friday. Today, tomorrow, Sunday. Can we know? Okay, so we are cooking for the funeral. So we are making situation. Everybody is on board. Look at Eno, as tired as she is. She's on board with her chair. Kofiana in your bouncena. Oh, mommy, hi. Guys, you see why I don't bring my mother into my video? She'll be giving me bomb. Let me see where So guys, after the last clip you saw, Ino was going to bath the newborn baby. So she held the wall like this and was about to be moving her slippers, and she tripped and fall. So right now I am with her in the hospital. Guys, Rama doesn't know what to do. The doctors are on her. She's wounded here. This part is swollen. There are some bruises here, some here, and then her leg. Her leg, guys. It is worse. I just want to update you. The time is 3 o'clock a.m. and we are awake. This morning we are going to make a fufu and jollof. We made a jollof stew yesterday, the shito and everything yesterday. So this morning we are up to we are making 2 soups. We are making both BRUNCH and then
light soup with jollof, and light soup with fufu. Then we will make the jollof rice separately and also work on the chicken. Yesterday I couldn't, a lot of things happened. I know everybody was asking me to vlog, but as I told you yesterday, I couldn't because Eno wasn't well. She was there. She is our guest SP. Eno is our guest SP. So if Eno had been my biological mother, seeing her with plasters all over her face and her feet, I couldn't have taken the camera to vlog. So yesterday I lost the vim, everything to vlog. But today there she's well. Even at this time she's up. She has instructed us as to what to do. We should do this, we should do that, we should do this. But in a few hours my mom and one of her friends will come to help us. So the two of us, and Tinkwala, we are up to set the fire. We will not be basically doing anything. We will not be doing a lot. So for us, we are going to bring this, go and bring that. The original people who will be doing the cooking, they are bedding. They are still sleeping. So we are up to set the fire. When they wake up, everything can run smoothly. What's it then? Video time, madam. Who saw the question when I am a cata? Miss me and me business. Why are you talking? I also know how much you could do to make us. I don't know who I know. Okay. I don't see. Come on, you can't get in. Maybe Maria, my baby, Hybe, and I just end the number for Rama than a bell roll me. I do be uncut them, so they in you, and I draw Papa Pebby. Tum say you on one leban. No, what it is good.